Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tsquarrel. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Also, turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell that's right next to the subscribe button. And lastly, please give me a thumbs up because it truly helps me out a lot. So if you want to see more videos from me, you want my channel to grow, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and turn on your post notifications, okay? Hey guys, so today this video is going to be brought to you by Ebony Line Hair. Ebony Line Hair specializes in all different types of synthetic wigs, human hair wigs. They have all different things on their website, so if you're interested in buying this wig or just any wig in general, definitely check out ebonylinehair.com. I will leave their links down below. Also check out Ebony Line Hair on Instagram. Follow them, tell them that I sent y'all, you know. Wig that I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled today is by the brand Outre, and it's a lace frontal unit, and the style that I have is Ashani, I think that's how you say it. I'll put it right on the screen. I'm not good with like names and stuff like that. I butcher a lot of things, so don't judge me. But if you guys want to see how I got this style and how I got it to look really nice and just full and like really natural, then definitely stay tuned. And at the end of the video, I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this wig. So let's get right into the styling. Hey guys, so this is how the wig looks straight out of the packaging. As it's really long for my liking, especially with curly hair. I don't like it to be too long. That's just my preference, but if you like it long, you can definitely leave it that way. But I'm actually going to be cutting a few inches off this wig throughout the whole entire video. But like I said, you can leave it whatever way you want to, but just for my preference, I don't like it just too long when it's curly hair. And as you can see, I'm just like cutting off. And then next I'm going to be looking at the lace. I didn't tweeze the hairline only because I felt like it just didn't need to, because the hair was going to be covering it for the most part. So what I did was I took the wig off, cut the lace off, and then reapplied the wig. Now I'm going to go in and I'm actually just going to take out some hair to make my baby hairs. And again, I didn't tweeze any of the hairline, so I'm just pulling out hair, and I'm going to cut the hair very short, or fairly short enough to, you know, it looks like baby hairs. And then I'm going to go into customizing my part. I used concealer. I didn't tweeze the part either, just because I didn't feel like it, and I wanted this wig to be one of those wigs that you can kind of throw on, and I feel like tweezing takes a lot of time and it's very tedious. So for me, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be able to show you guys how to style this shit out of the package, so that's what I did with just applying some concealer, and it actually looked fairly natural for me. And I'm just going to be going in again. As I said, throughout this video, I will be trimming a lot of the hair off. So I'm going to go in and trim the hair off, and then I'm going to be applying some Got2b glue, the black container, to my edges. I only use the yellow container when I'm like securing like my lace closure wigs, but when I'm just doing my edges, I use the black bottle. So I'm going to be just swooping out my edges, making sure they look really nice and on fleek. And then I'm going to be going in again and cutting some more hair off. And then I'm going to be spraying some Got2b glue, the freeze spray, on my toothbrush and just applying it to my hair so then my edges can stay in place. And that's basically it. That's how I got my closure to look so natural, guys. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys how I styled the wig on my head straight out the pack. Now giving my final review on this wig, I do think this wig is really awesome. It's so just nice, soft, voluminous. It gives you like that natural like wand curl look or like body waved look. You guys saw in the video that I did trim it, and I just feel like it looks way more better and more natural. The longer it was, the more wiggish it kind of looked. So I feel like it looks really natural on me, and it does do what I needed to do. Would I recommend this wig to anybody, or like you guys or any of my friends? Definitely. Would I recommend ebonylinehair.com to you guys? Definitely. The customer service is awesome. So I want to thank Ebony Line Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. I really appreciate it. And then I want you guys to definitely, like I said, go check out this wig. Comment down below and tell me guys if you like this wig, if this is a yay or a nay. I think it's definitely a yay, but just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.